Hi, my name is Bernie Silcock of berniesilcock.net, helping you to find your happy. This is my video testimonial for Inga Deksne and her 30-day Facebook Live challenge. I've worked with Inga before and she has moved me from being total IT and Facebook and everything you can imagine savvy, from being absolutely nowhere after the sad departing of my parents to actually managing to post with confidence on Facebook, managing to do Facebook Lives consistently and without stress and without worrying about them. She's provided me with strategy, she's provided me with support, and if you need your reach to expand, then what I would say is sign up for any of Inga's courses because they are always worth it, and participate, get involved, because we are a community and we help each other and we critique each other's Facebook Lives. And she does all sorts of social media training, but the Facebook Live has got me to a place where I can communicate clearly and with confidence, and I'm not afraid to do it anymore. So if you get the opportunity to sign up for Inga's 30-day Facebook Live training, then do it, because it works and you'll end up doing Facebook Lives and enjoying them, and they will work for you. So do take the time, do sign up. Inga is the most supportive coach in this way. I can't thank her enough for where she's moved me from and to. Still learning, and I'm still going to continue training with her. So do sign up, do participate. It is well worth the time and investment. Thanks a lot. Bye.